In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master the clone stamp tool in Photoshop. If you've ever wanted to retouch your photos with professional level precision, understanding how to use this tool can be a real game changer. So let's dive right into it. To start with, you're going to add your image into Photoshop. This is the foundation of our entire project. Open your desired image by going to File and then selecting Open. Navigate through your files to find the image you want to work on and click Open. This method allows you to work with the highest quality version and also ensures you're starting from a reliable base. Next, we're going to select the Clone Stamp tool, which is located in the toolbar on the left side of the Photoshop interface. This tool icon looks like an old-fashioned rubber stamp. By selecting the tool, you're preparing to copy parts of your image from one area to another. It's an excellent way for removing unwanted elements by replacing them with textures or details that match the surrounding area. Once you've selected the Clone Stamp tool, it's time to define the source of what you want to clone. Hold down the Alt key or Option on a Mac and click on the area of your image that you want to replicate. This action tells Photoshop exactly what and where it should start copying from. It's crucial to choose an area that matches the part of the image you plan to cover so that it blends seamlessly. After setting your source, start brushing over the area where you want the cloned section to appear. As you brush, you'll notice the sampled area being copied onto your target area. Use a soft brush for smoother transitions and a harder brush for more defined edges. Adjusting the brush's size and hardness, which can be done in the options bar at the top, will give you control over how the new parts merge with the existing image. If an opposite clone is what you're aiming for, you'll need a slightly different approach. Begin by navigating to the window menu and choose Clone Source. This choice opens the Clone Source panel where various options are available to adjust how your clone is placed, including enlarging, shrinking, or flipping its orientation. In the Clone Source panel, you'll find an icon that resembles two overlapping arrows indicating a flip. Click this to create a mirror effect of your clone source. This is particularly useful when needing the inverse of the selected area, like a left to right flip, to suit your image composition. Finally, repeat the brushing process with these new settings, ensuring that the mirrored content aligns with the surrounding areas flawlessly. By following the same process, you can tackle multiple areas within your image, gradually perfecting it until it looks exactly how you envisioned. And there you have it, a fundamental walkthrough of mastering the Clone Stamp tool in Photoshop. With practice and experimentation, you'll find endless creative opportunities to enhance your photography projects. Thanks for joining, and happy editing!